Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm here to catch your hearts. So today I'm with an amazing video. I think that Diwali is gone. I should make a special video. So I think why should I not make with some bamboo table? So I make a bamboo table. So today I will teach you how to make a bamboo table. So first, while I am starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please hit that red button and make it gray. And please like my video and comment below how you like this video. So let's get started. So for that, take a big bamboo and cut it in 4 pieces. Like I have done. These are 4 bamboo. These are bamboos. So 4 pieces to do like this, and the length is exactly same. You can see from bottom till top, and then some bamboo I have cut them in between in 4 parts. You can see four parts. So we can make their base. So first you have to keep this bamboo like this and this or this, and then you need some screws like this, and you have to assemble it or this like this, and with the hammer you have to stick it like this. L shape will form. See here I have screw, you can see, so it can be easily standing like this. So same we have to do 4 pieces, so we can make its base. So let's do it. Our structure has been done, so that only we need like this cutter stick. We have to just keep it on it like this. Fixed it all over here and do this all fit. So after that, for giving it a finishing touch and support, simply what I will do, I will first turn it like this, backward down, and I will take 2 sticks, 2 wasted sticks, which I have first only cut it out. So now first I will take this stick and I will look where it must be tight and fitting. So here it is fitting properly. So I will first press it down and I will attach it. No need to put nail or anything to fix it. Only we have to put it like this, because they are tight, they obviously stick on it. First stick this and then take this. If you want, you can do a fixed attachment by nail. So see, this is also done, our spiral support. So properly fix it. My one stick was removing, so I fixed it properly. So now finishing touch is that I will press this on, fix them properly. At the corner I have put it double sticks, so it gives a more straight, and which we have given downside support one. You must fit them all also, like I am doing. Same like this. And after that, now I will show how we can use this. So let's begin. So see, we can use it to keep our books like this, and we can use it to study. See, this table is that one efficient. He is holding this book very properly. So now I can easily sit and do study by using this table. We need only 5 minutes.